Ever pondered how to verify your business on Google? Google Business Verification is a key process ensuring your business is findable for your customers. The magic lies in a verification code, a gateway to visibility. So are you ready to make your business visible on Google? Navigating the verification process is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Kick things off by heading to visitgoogle.com. This is the jumping off point, the starting line in your race to verification. Moving on to step 2. It's time to sign into your Google account. This is the home base for your business's online presence. Like the control center of a spaceship, it's where all the magic happens. Finally, we arrive at step 3. This is where you'll enter your verification code and hit submit. This code is the secret password, the golden ticket granting your business visibility on Google. Remember, without this, customers won't be able to find you. Think of it as the key that unlocks the door to your online storefront. Now, don't fret if you're wondering where to find this elusive code. Google's got you covered. They might send you a postcard or use another method to verify your business. It's all part of the process. And there you have it. You're just 3 steps away from opening your business on Google. Remember, truth, honesty, and trust can build loyalty. Feel free to ask questions, leave comments. We're here to help. MRA Passive Income Playbook is about education, not finance. Now here's a fun twist. Like, subscribe, and share our content 5 times, and you could receive a free collector's item. So seize this opportunity, folks. This could be your chance to earn passive income with a no-charge, limited-time offer. Act now, and remember, we're here because we care about you, our viewers.